Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a chicken pizza sub sandwich. All right, the first thing we got to do, make the pizza sauce. Obviously, I didn't film it, but you want to take a 28-ounce can of tomato sauce, a tablespoon of olive oil, 3 cloves of minced garlic, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 2 teaspoons of balsamic vinegar, a teaspoon of black pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon or more of red pepper flakes, depending on how spicy you like your sauce. Throw all that into a small crock pot, turn it on low, and let it sit there for at least 2 hours. All right, now we have our little French bread loaf here that I've lightly toasted in the oven. And by the way, you want the oven preheated to about 450 degrees. And we're going to start adding some shredded roasted turkey. You can find this in pretty much any deli on the planet. And then we're going to add some bacon, because bacon makes everything better. And then we're going to add a nice little layer of salami on the other side of the bread. And then we're going to add some pepperoni on top of the salami. And then we want to add some banana peppers on top of the bacon. Then on one side of this, add some of the old provolone. Then some freshly shredded whole milk mozzarella. Don't do the part skim mozzarella. Get the good old shit. It's a nice little layer of that. And then you want to add that pizza sauce. Nice little layer of it. And then you want to pop this into the 450 degree oven for about 7 minutes, or until the cheese is nice and melty and everything just looks happy. All right, when it looks something a little bit like that, it's ready to be pulled out. And I'm just giving it a couple of minutes to cool down so I can actually handle it so it can become a sandwich. All righty. And it's put together, and it's wonderful, and it's great. So that is the chicken pizza sub sandwich. Done. Oh, and by the way, it was absolutely delicious. Everyone devoured it pretty much that night.